One of the most iconic dishes in Honduras is la baleada, and one of the main ingredients is la tortilla de harina, flour tortilla. Lanigui is a Garifuna word that means heart, and Catracho is a name given to someone that has family or born in Honduras. Lanigui Catracho was born in the heart of this Honduran who left his country, but his love and passion led him to begin this journey. The purpose of Lanigui Catracho is to let others know about our amazing culture and gastronomy, encapsulated with detailed instructional video recipes that teaches you how to prepare these amazing dishes at home. Another iconic dish is the pollo chuco, fried chicken, Honduran style. A layer of fried green bananas, cabbage, chimol, fried chicken itself, special tomato sauce, and an amazing dressing. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Of course, we couldn't forget about the famous tamales, los nacatamales. This is a piece of art, a mix of multiple ingredients, resulting in exquisite flavors. Lanigui Catracho also brings you culture, and we do it through very unique designs made with pride, passion, and heart. We want you to learn more about us, about our country Cinco Estrellas, about the way we talk, the food we eat, and the phrases we use to communicate. So the next time you see this logo somewhere, don't let it just go by. Remember who we are, the culture we are representing, and our purpose. Get to know us and understand the real meaning of Lanigui Catracho.
Here, Oblas. Yes, esta es la última gota. More bubbles, come on bubbles, more bubbles.
Thank you for your time. Your support means a lot to me. You can follow us on our social media platforms, or you can support us by visiting our online store at www.laniguicatracho.com. Thank you.